boleto, por favor.
Muchísimas gracias. Bienvenidos a una nueva temporada de ¿Quién quiere ser millonario? El concurso más generoso de la televisión colombiana. Hasta ahora llevamos distribuidos a lo largo de este programa más de 8.000 millones de pesos entre los colombianos. Hoy nos acompañan 10 nuevos concursantes. Veamos quiénes son ellos. Luis de Cali, Juan de Barranquilla, Pedro Arturo de Envigado, Antioquia, Alfonso de Armenia, Trinidad de Cartagena, Eliseo de Bogotá, José Fernando de Quebrada Negra, Cundinamarca, Francisco Javier de Pacatativá, Hernán de Cali, Álvaro de Pereira. Bien, y veamos cuál es el primero de ellos en concursar esta noche a través de la mente más rápida de Caracol. Ordene alfabéticamente estas letras: A, Z, B, X, C, Y, D, W. El orden correcto es W, X, Y, Z. Quien respondió al menor tiempo fue Hernán.
Who Wants to Be a Millionaire? Nervous System Edition. Today we have Juanito with us here from Bolivia, and he will be going for $1 billion today. Now, let's begin. Our first question, for $100. What is the name of segmentally clustered neurons found in the ventral nerve cords of arthropods, such as octopi? A. Ganglia. B. Neuroclusteritis. C. Equilibrium. Or D. Earthworms.
There's an interesting story about this.
Dude, Jorge, what are you doing in my hole?
Sorry, what?
What are you doing in my hole?
Oh, I was just reading this book I have here. It's pretty interesting. It's about the nervous system.
What about the nervous system?
All about the nervous system. But this part I'm reading right here is about its structure.
What about its structure?
Well, Juanito, the structure of the nervous system differs between animals. So in like cnidarians, they just have a whole bunch of nerves going everywhere. And nerves are basically clusters of neurons, so they send electrical signals through the nerves. But in more complex animals, like you are cephalized, meaning you have a brain in your head which allows you to think and do stuff. And that's your central nervous system. But in other animals, like octopuses, they have a brain too, but they have little, like, segmentally clustered neurons called ganglia, which spread out into other nerves and stuff like that.
So what's your point?
My point is, the answer is ganglia.
The answer to what?
You will know in time. But until then, I have to get back to my reading.
Okay.
Did you move? Like your shadow is making it hard. Oh, thank you.
So, that's how I know it's A. Ganglia.
Yeah, congratulations, Juanito. Now, our second question. For $500, what is the membrane potential of a neuron that is not actively transmitting signals called? A. Active potential. B. Passive transmission. C. Resting potential. Or D. Juan Castro.
You know, this reminds me of my 23rd birthday, when I got a really interesting birthday card.
Today is my birthday. I think I'll check the mail for birthday cards. Oh, what do you know? Hey, Juanito. Did you know that when a neuron is not transmitting signals, its membrane potential is called resting potential? No? Well, now you do. Jorge. P.S. The guy on the front is called George Bush. He'll be the president of America in 50 years. Jorge. Dude, Jorge, what's up with this card you sent me?
Oh, the birthday card, yeah. Well, resting potential is basically the membrane potential of a neuron when it's not transmitting signals. And that happens when the ion pumps in the membrane. They're not letting ions through, and so there's an equilibrium there, so it's basically not transmitting signals.
So, thanks to that birthday card, C. Resting potential.